Hey everyone, today make around 4,100 today, and I'm gonna go over all the count today. So today, every single thing that it was a little bit tanking in the morning, and later on that we got some movement after 8 or something like that. But overall, all the borrow was super expensive, so I was not able to borrow any stock to short. So I decided to focus mainly on long stock today. That's why there's no shorting. Just long PLL on this on Cobra, and the rest also long on here as well. Both account overall $3,357 on this one, and $807 on this one, so a little bit over 4,150. So let me see. Let me turn the privacy on so I can drag this down. What is it? So let me drag it down. This is my new setup in my downstairs right now, just recording here. So maybe a little bit different, so bear with me if I make some mistake, okay? Okay, so let's go over all the trade today. Check and see. Okay, so I gotta make this all the way on top. Do I do that? Pin, okay. So the main one today in the morning, pre-market, I wake up early today and it was turned out pretty decently good. I was not trade much until later. So as you guys can see, it start popping up around, let me see, what time is it? It start popping up around 9:20. Okay, 9:20, it goes straight up right here. So I was not even able to catch any dip until later, and I had to do this, sorry, but I had to add on VWAP, otherwise I don't know why I'm buying. So VWAP consider for me as a most important indicator, okay, most important indicator. So I kind of need it just even to tell you guys, this is, like I say again, this is a new setup for me on my laptop right now. That's why a bit thing. Okay, so buy on a pullback closer to VWAP, sell, rebuy, sell, rebuy, and sell. As you guys can see, I use super duper small size. And even on here, right, the first dip back, I only used 1,000 share. The reason is, look at the move, $6.50. That's $1.50 move right there. So I go with smaller side until the range get a little bit smaller, so I can add on. This one I lost right here, I think about like 100 or 200 bucks. But I make most of the money right here. I make around 800 alone right here. The morning way, this is super duper surprised me. And sorry guys, I've been sick. That's why you guys did not see me a video this week. I actually been sick. Look at this. I actually had to do what is it called? The cup suction thing to make me feel better, but that's why I did not do the video this week, because I've been sick over the weekend and my friend come visit too, so no mood. But yeah, this is the craziest movement right here. As you can see, right at the open, it flushed all the way down right here. I was so tempted to buy right here, right? Because it halt, right before it halt, you still have a chance to buy it. Man, that would be so nice if I buy just 1,000 share. Right here, man, that would be so nice, but who knows, right? Because this is the weirdest action ever, because the stock trade is super thin trade, even though they got look like it got a lot of volume, but most of the time it's super thin trade, like there's no bid or ask or anything. The spread, a lot of time, even for $4 stock, it's 10-cent spread, 20-cent spread, like what the heck, man? So yeah. That's why it's able to tank this much, because not many people buying it and somebody tried to sell big ass order. This is the shadiest thing I ever see. So that's why I was not able to buy this first dip back right here. I thought I can tank down more to around here, then I buy it, but it did not. So it's go straight back up and go right here. I'm able to trade it decently, okay? Oh geez, I'm using my Mac window on my Mac, so a little bit different. And after that, just basically rinse and repeat and just buy dip for the rest of the thing, and volume start die off. There's not much trade left I can do on it. So yeah, just decent, around $800 gain on that one, $900 gain on that one. Honestly, I didn't trade much after 2:30 for any stock. This is the only, and until later, I started getting my hair cut right here. I cut my own hair, and this is the thing. The last time I bought it, very hard to trade in the after 2 or like 1:30. There's barely anything. And another stock that I trade the most is OXBR. So that thing was halted. So AMBO was halted the whole morning, so I was not able to trade it. So I was focusing on this one here. I saw a lot of people mentioning it. I was looking at it too. Because I don't like to buy this kind of stock. Like I told you, like under $1 stock is really hard for me to time the bottom, and when it bounces, it doesn't bounce much. So I was disregarded right here as well. It dipped back right here. See, I don't like stock when they finish the whole candle. Like, look at this, whole candle, whole candle, whole candle, whole candle. I like a little bit wick like this. When it wick like this, that means there's bounce and all that. That's when I'm more comfortable to get in. That's when I got in right at the very, I don't know why I did not get full size, but oh, it dipped all the way back down, then it bounced a little bit, then when it come back down again, I try to rebuy it because it dips so fast, but I did not get my full size. As you guys can see, only 1,300 share. Normally I try to get 5,000 share of this this right here, 5,000 share, especially when it at $2 or something like that. And I'm able to trade it the whole way. Right here, I'm able to make decent money off of it, and after that, I buy even pullback right here. This right here, I buy 414 pullback, which is right near the breakout level, right? It break out, then come pull back, then I buy it and I sell for the next rip up candle. And after that, it just goes straight up. This is not a big enough pullback for me to buy because easily can correct it back down here, when the stock just goes straight up, finish full candle like this, you would not see me trading that stock at all. After that, I was able to buy decently right here, do very good, like buy 1,000 shares, sell, buy another 1,000 shares, sell, buy 500 shares, sell, buy another 500 shares, sell. Just rinse and repeat. I wish I would size up. I'm so chicken, man. If today I would just do like, even for this stock, right, I just do like even half of my size. This is like 1/3 of my size. That's I am trading. 500 share, that's ridiculous. And like sometimes I only do 1,000 share. That's ridiculous, okay? Normally I would do at least 2,000, 2,500 share for this kind of stock, but I understand the range is a lot, but still, man, I would make a lot more. Not many opportunity like this, but the thing is, I was too chicken to do anything full size, as you guys can see. Able to do 2,000 share right here because the range started to become really small now. As you guys can see, the range becomes super duper small after that. And yeah, just rinse and repeat for the rest of the way. I just basically walking it down. When it dip, I buy, sell, dip, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I call it walking the stock down. I don't know if anyone call that. I just make up my own term because I think I'm the only one who trading downtrending like this. Most people were not able to make money on downtrending, but that's my specialty. When a stock downtrending and it have good volume and it's not manipulated. When a stock manipulated, it's different, okay? Manipulated, how do I say this? When it arranging like this is very dangerous and this can very easily manipulate it. It can poke up or poke down. That's why you do not see me trade around here until it make a super big dip right here. I missed this dip and so I got in here and sell just basically. Yeah, just rinse and repeat. The range look a little bit small, but it's actually a pretty decent range for $3 stock. Just over here is ridiculous range when it's like recently we have like, look at this, $2 range. $2 range for 6 to 8. It runs 6 to 8 down to 5.50. That's crazy range. $2.50 range. Okay, that's crazy. So yeah, range mean opportunity. If you know how to optimize on it, you will make. The reason I did not buy this pullback right here, I know what halt. Honestly, guys, the pattern play over and over. Look at SPI, right? When the stock keep go straight up like this and it doesn't go down and you're like, who the hell buy it here? Exactly, just short squeezing themselves. That's why they buy and just cover and cover, another one, kill another one. Nobody buy it until the newbie who try to FOMO their way in and buy right here, and even they not sell right here. That's ridiculous. And when they go down, there's no more buyer. I call volume exhaustion, right? There's no more buyer because everyone already buy right here. All the short already got squeezed out. Who left to buy? So yeah, so of course, when it go down, of course, it's gonna halt and gap down, and that's when you make the most money, when it gap down. So just wait for the damn gap down. I love it when the stock halt and gap down. That's when you make money. Okay. Anything else? So after that, another big ticker. Did I play anything? Oh yes, PLL. I trade more on the other platform. I show you guys a little bit, but I trade pre-market on this one. Hey, I'm very chicken. Okay, I do 100 share, like 100 share. 5.8. Man, like what is it? No, 35.8. The thing is, oh no, I buy, I sell, I buy, I sell too. Okay, it's not like I'm pretty sure I got pretty close to the bottom because there's no way I would let it dip this much without selling anything. I may miss it when it did re-dip to the back here. This is offers such a nice range. I was thinking 200 share because 100 share is only $3,000, guys. But they have so much range. But at least I do I should have done 200 share, which I realized that right here. I make 400 on this account right here, I think. On this account, I make $416 off of it, just to do like 3 trade or something like that. Yeah, 3 trade total off of it. And later on, I'm able to trade more on my other account, which is this right here. You guys can see. Okay, I traded on here because I was buying 50 to 100 share, and also the level 2, I'm able to read it a little bit more better on here. As you guys can see, I can bottom ticket a lot. I can show you guys. So I make $807 off of it right here. And look how good bottom tick I am. Not trying to be brag or anything, but I am trying to brag, but yeah. Okay, let's look at it. Look at that. Look how close to the bottom I got, right? Pretty darn close, guy. Pretty darn close, okay? And any more? Close to the bottom, but I never wait until it bounces high enough. If I wait to bounce high enough, I will make a lot more. Even here, right? Pullback. Oh shit. Pullback. I buy the pullback right here. You guys cannot see it because it's green. I'm gonna change it later. Green, sell it. Pullback, right near the bottom. Look at that. Bottom tick, sell it. Sell it. Bottom tick this one again, sell it. Sell it. Bottom tick this one again, sell it. Oh yeah, sell it. Sell it. Right, this one right here, I did not bottom tick, but I can feel the momentum was really bad, really lower, go much lower. So I buy it, I sell right away, and I rebuy it back here. I rebuy it back here, bottom tick, sell. This one right here, what is it? I did not bottom tick this one. This one is, I got it in, 400 share. I add another 50, and I sell for, I think this one barely. Make maybe like 10 or 20 bucks on that one, but the rest I did really good. Okay, sometimes I don't, not 100% I bottom ticket, but a lot of time as you guys can see, I bottom ticket, right? Literally. But this one is not, but still able to. No, maybe I bottom ticket, sell, dip back more. Then I did not. What is it? I did not rebuy when it's just dipped a little bit more than my original entry. But a lot of time I'm very good at bottom ticking it. It just, I don't know, the level 2 tell a lot of story. I don't know, for me. And the only regret is I only trade 100 share, man. That's the only regret I have. I buy, sell, it dip more. I buy, sell, basically. Just rinse and repeat, man. This one offer very good, okay? So this is what I mean by manipulated, okay? It's not 100% manipulating. This one is not as much, but the other one, some of them is so bad. Like some of them, like big green candle up, chill, red candle down, then chill, big green candle up, chill. That's I consider that's manipulating because the way they do is they shake out all the short and they shake out all the long. So going up like this really a lot. Start whoever short with the ideas of let it fade all day, right, would get shake out right here because they see such a strong momentum and start go back up like that, right? And after that, look at this, all the way back down. You know, this is the long trap right here. This is short trap, long trap. So somebody kind of manipulated. This is not as bad as some of the stock that I see, but Yeah, that's what I consider as manipulating. So yeah, overall I make 800 on this one. Beside that, I trade a few more ticker. As you guys can see, I trade a lot of ticker. I did not trade good on UONE because I see the strong momentum in PLL, right? I thought UONE at least gonna follow, have a bounce before it tank, but it did not. Okay, let's go over UONE. Let's go over losing trade because probably help you guys learn it too. So I make a little bit money on here, but I do I think feel very small size. This one bottom ticket, so I did not get full size. But yeah, I make like 100 something, but end up losing 200 on this big flush right here. This big ass flush right here, right? I thought is, what is it called? Is sympathy, like I told you, this is sympathy play. The only reason UONE started going up this much is because strong momentum overall the whole market. PLL, BYFC, and bunch of other stock was running just because of what's other stock? OXBRs was super strong. That's causing all the other stock have a kind of same trend to go up like that. So I thought the first dip right here, right? It would be at least to near VWAP or just below. I mean, I got very close to the bottom. What is it? 1,500 share. Basically very close to the haul. I was being patient. It's not like I just go in just for small dip. I go in when it big dip, right? But then the only bad thing for me is I did not catch this right here to average my way out because this is very small size for me, right? This is very small size. So if I catch it right here and if I got out right there, I would kind of break even, but then it dipped way too fast and go back up already. It's like, okay, I consider it as a loss. So I'm just getting out. I got out and for a loss, basically. I averaged in a little bit and just got out for a loss because I thought it kind of bounced, but it's showing weakness. So I just sell it all the way. But that is it for today. Up 4,100. I'm not familiar with this setup yet, so I'm still gonna get used to it. But as soon as possible, I will make up some video and teach you guys something. But this is it for today. Okay, up 4,160 bucks, something like that, and call it a day. And you guys have a great day. Okay, bye.